Alrighty guys, welcome to the reproductive tract. Here we're going to do the female reproductive tract. So as you look at this orientation right here, you can see that the cat has two uterine horns right there. This uterine horn comes up to a ovary. The little ovary is right here. Next to the ovary is the fallopian tube or the oviduct right there. The ovary is suspended in the abdomen by this piece of connective tissue called the suspensory ligament. The ovary is attached to the uterine horn by this thick band of connective tissue called the ovarian ligament. And then this cat's has been broke down, but you can see where there used to be this thin tissue right here that attached it to the body wall. That was the broad ligament. Your two ovarian horns dump into the, your two uterine horns dump into the uterine body. And then if you were to go on up, you would be able to feel on the uterine body down in the pelvic canal, you'd be able to feel the cervix. Structures that you do not see right here that I want you guys to be familiar with, and we'll look at them on APR, would be the external genitalia. So you're going to look at major and minor labia, vaginal orifice, vaginal vault, and you will also look at the clitoris. All right. Let's move on to the pregnant uterus. So as we come in here and we look at this pregnant or gravid uterus, you can see where each of these babies is at. We have opened two of these pouches, and we've got the fetuses there that come out of that. We'll go ahead and open another one real quick. So as we open this uterus, you can pull this out, and what you notice is this is the placenta right here, all right? As we dissect that placenta, we can pull it and cut it, and what you then see is that, I call it the fuzzy carpet, that is your chorion, all right? The chorion attaches into the placenta. Now we've got our fetus right here. You see the fetus is covered with a clear membrane. If we gently dissect that clear membrane off, you can see that clear membrane. That clear membrane is the amnion. In an actual living situation, this would be filled with amniotic fluid. But as we pull that off, you can see really nicely you have a really, really nice little fetus, fully developed little fetus right here. All right. So on this fetus, you're going to notice you've got your umbilical cord right there. On this fetus, you're also going to notice you have your arm or forelimb, you have your paw or hand, and you have your fingers or toes since this is a kitty. Down here, you're going to flip this up, and you're going to see you've got your tail. You're going to see you have your legs. You can flip your tail up, and you can actually see your external genitalia. This looks like it is probably a little boy kitten. As you flip this up, you notice this is your heart prominence right there. You can see your eye. And then when you flip this up and look in here, you can see we have our mouth right there. And if we flip that, you can actually see your tongue. So you've got your tongue and both sides of your mouth. So that's going to be your kitten fetus right there. I'm going to tuck him back in his placenta so you guys can study him later. All right. Thank you guys very much.